Serpate Tetras with cichlids. I don't know if you could do it always, at any time, but at least in this case, the Serpate Tetras are doing fine with the cichlids. Some other cases, if there are no hiding spaces, I don't know, something, like if there are not enough cichlids in the tank, maybe the one cichlid would start bullying these tetras and kill them. I have no idea, for some reason they don't chase the tetras that much, but they do a little bit. And Serpate tetras, I guess, are hardy and tough, and neon tetras would totally get stressed out and die, I guess. I actually like them. I mean, they're kind of like dull. Babies in their mouth, I guess. Trophiopsis, possibly elongatus, Guazzu Conchezza Island. There's another one that's pretty too. Mozimi, I don't know, I forgot, they're making blue. All of the females of these are not really that bright blue. Even the males are not that colorful for African cichlid, I guess. Or the popular African cichlids are colorful because people like them. Because a lot of African cichlids, the Malawi cichlids are actually dull, like these guys. That's the meow on the dorsal fin. And when they're fighting, they change color, become vibrant. And there's a Mangano cichlid male. There's a female on another tank. Around 2 inches long, I guess. Don't know. 6 centimeters. Here is a Kenyi or Kenyai cichlid. Very popular cichlid. Male. The females are bluish. It can be dull, purplish, grayish. As juveniles, they're colorful, and then the females, I don't know, might get duller. I don't know. I don't remember. There are 2 varieties of this type. They're in the hobby, I think. One big, one small. I have a suspicion this is a big type. I don't know, just I guess it looks more stocky. I saw 3 pictures of one, and the other variety I saw 2 pictures last night. Just looking at fish. Just trying to figure out what type of these guys are, what variety of cichlid. I know the species, of course, but not the... That's the male of the Trophiops. This is when he's actually a little duller. He gets brighter a little bit, I think. sunlight, and it will make him, and this light, artificial light, will make him pretty. Like in this video, but it feels in the dark area, he's dull, very dull purplish. Rusty cichlids. I read about these in South Korea and saw a picture of a blue one. It said sometimes some individuals will have a little bit of rusty coloration on them. These guys are totally rusty coloration. I couldn't find the variety I saw in that picture. Maybe it moved to a different species, but it was a blue cichlid, and they called it a rusty cichlid. It's the same species for Rengi, or I don't know. Maybe it's just a different variety. These are the most common variety now. I couldn't find any pictures of that blue type. Maybe it just moved to another species. Maybe that's why I couldn't find it. At least these guys are certainly rusty cichlids. They have these interesting egg spots. I wonder if you select breeder, you can make huge egg spots that like pretty much colorate that fin right there. Surprised if people sell these in pet shops. They're really dull and ugly. People thought would hate them. And also they sell bumblebee cichlids, which is interesting. They're really dull. Surprised. Oh, and the tetras are expensive. $2 each in South Korea. They're 50 cents. Oh, dang it, I'm rambling. Finistus. I think I need algae for them to grow quicker. They had a growth spurt from when we got them, and now they stopped growing. Hey again.